Do you ever go to a birthday party and eat all of the cake? Oh yeah, that's me sometimes. Behold, the Asian elephant. Oh, hang on, no, wait, that's too small, that's too small. That's too small, cut. Here we have the Asian elephant. The Asian elephant can reach from about 3 to 5 tons. They're recognizable for their smaller ears compared to the African elephant and having 4 toes as opposed to 3 on their back feet. Look at that beast. Cool. He has been eating all the cake at birthday parties.